Big mama.
Anamugo, Anadaria, Anestri. I beg, bring your baller. God, they come, go take your baller. Take your book. I love my people. They are hardworking.
Number 50, Allah. Hey. Allah, the second coming. Allah. Okay, okay, okay. We can't go no television. Okay, team. Okay, okay, team. Why are you there? Okay. Yeah, it's a way in and out of vehicles. You understand? And then under the stove, there is a stone that lock up everything there. Now, our way is just like a clean down, here must be clear out. And also the distance that they made there. Yeah. You understand? So you go under the stove, that's what give a way, free way the water outside there. So what do you want that to do now? No, this is what I brought now, so we need to find a solution of how we can clear. You can take this iron. We don't have long shovel. That's the problem. Like we take this iron. We are able to take this here from there. Now there is no long shovel. Then we need to look for other way out. Because not because there is no long shovel, it has to be there. We need to make a way out. So it's irremovable. This is why I call so that we need to find out. I can remove.
This morning, we are here to support our own. We are here to support our own Eric, full reality. We want to bring that positive change. This is a preparatory ground for retaining our MP and bringing JM. We want Alogboshie to come out with the best. We are making sure we remove that person that came in pretense of an NDC to bring the actual NDC. So we from the other areas, I'm from Anumle Ward Assembly electoral area, and I'm here to support my brother Eric to take this seat and make sure proper development comes to this area. So that's the major reason why we are here.
First and foremost, we have to thank Almighty God for bringing us here safely and peace. As you can see on the background, so many things are going on, and we are here in support of our brother Eric. You see, when we say development, you want to get somebody who will consider development in your electoral area, not just anybody, but a person that can consider the development is what you have to get. And we are seeing that in our brother Eric. That is why we are here at this very moment to come and support him, do whatever he wants to do for the community. And I think he's the best candidate for this community, which is Alogboshie electoral area. That is precisely Alogboshie electoral area. So we are here to support our brothers to do the work of the assembly in Alogboshie electoral area. So we thank God for bringing each and everybody from their ward to come and support this very good cause. Because it's a cause that if we all come together to support him, the win is going to come to our way. And collectively, we can do the best as we want it to happen.
Okay, so actually, Eric, Neo Fore Aike, your friend Eric, Neo Fore Aike. This year, election, assembly election, I am not December 19th. Which will be me what I did say. Me perceive me back. Now, it's a here, I was saying, I was both in your me back, Mammy Becker's answers, and a member. You can't hear me. I can collect a co op above Alogboshie. Come on. Nibi Comeo Juba. And in the Titri did not need me, Majumono, me or Yamami and San, the person mentioned us. First one, security, our community. Security in the sense, your environmental. From some would do Yama would be to her. To me, come by Banana Yafa, and it's Anya Madama. The Bayer Wojumana, security, no, send your mayor Wojumana. Yeah, you tonight, we will get Naya security for ourselves. I will be security for you, you will be security for me. In that case, no, and yeah, dear, Yabeka yeah, maybe I was a police back community, no, because you want Meguru power. Yeah, you security. And next one, a Juma. Yen Nayan in Senior Chronomaya. They say, Mia, Bana, me, Bano. Mayor Fortune send me, Mania, Empia. All your hard working. or tamichia differences any sisaya ye pese ye di ba onimu na obe tamichi na ye ba nti adwuma nso ye di be ko a ye be kire emamuru no omo pe adwuma ye di nkofo beba kromo a ye be kire omo adwuma ye pese obi anya adwuma because obi awo adwuma enya de obedi a pressure no embeda assembly so ana MP so ana ye kita and a third me baba ye me slogan new hope no the battery my see and that's so full because youth ni bebre no omo ni and that's so and that's also na ema nipa wo ho na ema nya hope say ochina no me situation better into me I'm a living testimony. I came from nowhere like me beginning now. So I'm going to be that hope. I'm going to provide that hope to encourage the youth that no matter your situation now, you can become what you want to become. So these are the 3 pillars that I'll be basing my campaign and my policies and everything.
Honorable, well said. Sanitation has been a problem in Ghana.
Yeah.
And with today's activity, with this cleanup or sanitation activities today, will this end here or it will continue as part of your vision?
Okay, so with today, cleanup, cleaning Alogboshie clothing na the better and a cleanup video me bar every year man clean up or crying 3 times in a year because clean environment get nine him say and no it's very key to your health in the environment. So cleanup is going to be one of my hallmarks every time mayor clean up into Weno MNC and then there will be health screening and free medical care because health screening in Yamiadum above your clinic, Alogboshie clinic, almost as part of our social responsibility. They are screening. But one of the things he told me is that after the screening, they screen people and they identify problems. They prescribe medicine and things for the people, and the people can't afford. So they take the prescription and they go back to the house. So one of my things that I'm going to do is I'm going to do a free medical care. Medical care, and they say, we screening prescription at the amount. You be called for funding, but now you have to call drugs need the amount. Then we know that we are having a complete healthcare checkup and all that. So they check you up, they identify the problem, we buy the medicine. So there's a whole lot of we started saying me campaign or me picking up on ground. So we're going to work with the people. The people bring the solution, and then I will implement it.
Thank you, sir.